Here's how to create a Telegram channel on Android. Open the Telegram app, then tap the new message icon, the pencil button in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select New Channel. Enter your channel name, add a short description, and if you'd like, set a profile picture using the camera icon. Then tap the check mark to continue. Now choose whether you want your channel to be public or private. For a public channel, anyone can find and join using your custom link. For a private channel, only people with your invite link can access it. If someone's account is restricted from being added directly, you can simply send them your channel's invite link instead. Finally, select your first subscribers. And that's it! Your Telegram channel is ready to go.